so as these examples have got a little more complex, I'm just going to have to start filming the whiteboard now and leaning back out of the way in order that you can see everything that's going on. But this is an example of something I've already illustrated a few times, which is the idea of unpacking the premises. If you get a derivation that you're supposed to do, and it looks really complex, like here we have some really long premises, and it may not be entirely clear how we're supposed to get from here to there, what you should do is just start going through those premises and applying every elimination rule you can and seeing if that'll get you to the conclusion, or at least seeing if it'll get you far enough that you know if you have to make subderivations, what kind of subderivations you're going to have to do or what kind of rule you're going to have to employ. And in this case, we're not going to have to make any subderivations, and that should become pretty clear once we start taking these premises apart, all right? So obviously we can't do anything with 2 or 3. These are conditionals, and we don't have the antecedents, but we can break 1 down. We can use and elimination twice on line 1 to get the conjuncts of the conjunction on separate lines. All right, and now we can go ahead and apply conjunction elimination again to get these on separate lines. Now, once we have those, hopefully it'll be apparent what we should do. Okay, well, we're trying to get T and not U, and because we have not Q, we can go ahead and we can get T right away now by conditional elimination on line 2. Okay, now the other thing that we need is not U, and we need P and not R in order to get that. But we have P here, and we have not R here, so we can go ahead and put those together. By conjunction introduction, lines 6 and 8. Okay, and now we can use conditional elimination to get not U. On lines 3 and 11. And we can go ahead and finish this up. That's a really bad ampersand, but on lines 10 and 12. Conjunction introduction, lines 10 and 12, we get our line 13, our conclusion. And that just goes to show why this strategy kind of works. You know, we had a very complicated looking set of premises with some very long sentences, and by just taking those sentences apart, it became really obvious what we needed to do in order to complete the derivation.